everybody, it's me, Russ. I'm headed out in the rain. So this is a TaskRabbit automotive kit. And I have a client who has a Pontiac Vibe, which is, it's kind of like a Toyota Matrix. Anyway, she has this brace thing that holds the door. I'm not even sure what it's called. She thought it was a hinge, but it's not. It's the stopper, door stopper thing that keeps the door from flying open. And that's the problem she's having. So she does work, in the city, and she's afraid, like, the wind catches the door just whoosh flies open because it doesn't have this little stopper thing to keep it from doing that. And so I am running to the wrecking yard. Another beautiful day at the wrecking yard. Beautiful day in the rain. We got Preludes and Audis galore. There's Cadillac. That's black Cadillac. Look at that. Look at that Cadillac. CTS. Why not? There's that Jag from last time I was here. Still here.
Few moments later.
Well, it started really downpouring on me, so I sought refuge in this nice little Cadillac here, waiting for the rainstorm to stop. There's no back window, so that's unfortunate. I mean, from this angle, it looks like a sweet little rig, right? It's got the keys in it. And, yeah, it ain't going anywhere. It ain't gonna start. Yeah, this is a good old-fashioned downpour right here. It's a soaker. I usually really enjoy walking around the old junkyard, but yeah, I should have brought my rain gear. Actually, I did bring my rain gear. It wasn't raining when I got out of the van. It just drizzled. Yay, starting to subside. I mean, while we're here, we might as well appreciate this little 2004 CTS Cadillac. I mean, if you have to be stranded in a vehicle for shelter, you might as well do that in style, right? Look at this. It's got, looks like it's got a little place to put CDs, You can put a CD in there maybe and tool on down the road, pop it in the disc player right there. Too bad the cable's been cut off with a cable cutter, because there might be a choice CD in there. I think I can get out now. It looks like it's not as bad. I don't know. Those puddles out there, let's see. I usually judge it by the puddles. Still coming down. Oh, over there's one of them big forklift things. I better get out of here. Might toss me in the crusher. That wouldn't be good. You never know. Oh snap, I didn't think about that. I mean, it's a normal latch, so. It's an electronic? I'm stuck in here. That wouldn't be good. Ah! No, it's kidding. It's fine. You do it in style. Look at this. Here's one of these horrible little cars. My lord. Did it get in a wreck? Oh yeah, it looks like it got. No, maybe not. It's just a. No, it got in a wreck. You could see. You can see the damage to the plastic intake there. Yep. Poor little Fiat. Airbags are deployed. That's always a sign. Something bad went wrong. Yeah, little red Fiat. Sorry, buddy. Here you are in the graveyard. Wow, looks like a Prius C. Man, this thing, 08. This thing has been stripped down. Look at that. Dang. Really took that guy apart. Oh yeah, looks like it's about ready to pour rain. But I found my part. This is the passenger side, but that one's missing a door. But it looks like it's not going to be a problem. It looks like it's the same on both sides, pretty much.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, Looks like I need door panel tools because I can't get this thing out. I can't open the door anymore because there's another car right here. And this is as far as it'll go. So, do I have door panel tools? No, I don't. But I have muscles, so I eat some spinach. Hey, there goes the speaker. Speaker panel thing. It's a cute little speaker right there. Cute. Alright. Come on. All I need to do is reach inside of here. Get this guy out. Yeah, I think I got it. Is it gonna come through the hole? Come on, you. I don't know, man. Ha! I think I got it. So yeah. See down there, pull it right through. Removed. Focus. There we go. Yeah, that's cool. Look at that. I want to get, hopefully there's somebody in there. Fell asleep trying to get out of the rain. That wouldn't be good. Here's a 02 Caravan, and look at this. Ooh, it's got my tape player, CD player. This is awesome. And me without a screwdriver. I just brought stuff to get that thing out for a client, but now I'm like, ooh, I need this. I bet this guy works still. Look at that. Yep. Taking apart a minivan dashboard more than once. Tell you what. Ha! I got it. Just up and under. There's a screw back there. And a screw back here. Oh, did I bring a... Shoot. Oh, man. Let's see. When that guy comes up, screws down here. Dang. I don't have my Phillips. I'm gonna have to go all the way back to the van to get a Phillips flipping screwdriver. Oh boy. It just started pouring rain again, so it's dark. It's not even, what, 3 o'clock, 3:30. His headlights are on. And I'm gonna do that stereo thing later. I'm willing to bet that it's still gonna be there. In the Dodge Caravan. I'll be back, CD player combo thing. You watch. I'm coming for you. Where's that? Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around.